Should a local church exercise discipline over its members? Whenever individuals, members of a church, cause offenses or divisions within their church, then it is the responsibility of that church to exercise church discipline. The purpose of church discipline is to rebuke a brother or sister for causing an offense or trespass in hopes of causing them to seek repentance and to right the wrong they caused by their actions. The church has an obligation to show Christ-like love and assist the individual toward cleansing, forgiveness, and restoration. The correct procedure in church discipline is included in the following 5 steps. First step, note and mark those who are in need of discipline, 2 Thessalonians 3:14, Romans 16:17. Second step, arrange a private meeting with the offender, Matthew 18:15. Third step, if this fails, set up a second meeting, this time with several other members of the church present, Matthew 18:16. During these preliminary private and semi-private meetings, the individual should be admonished, Titus 3:10, rebuked, 2 Timothy 4:2, and warned, 1 Thessalonians 5:14. Fourth step, as a final resort, the unrepentant one is to be brought before the entire church, Matthew 18:17, 1 Timothy 5:20. Fifth step, upon refusal to submit to church discipline, the guilty party is to be spiritually excommunicated. This constitutes 2 fearful things, a denial and a deliverance. When a person is disciplined, he is denied Christian fellowship, avoid, Romans 16:17, withdraw, 2 Thessalonians 3:6, from such withdraw yourself, 1 Timothy 6:3, 5, reject, Titus 3:10, do not keep company with him, 2 Thessalonians 3:14, 1 Corinthians 5-9, 11. He is to be delivered over to Satan, 1 Corinthians 5-5, 1 Timothy 1:20. Within the process of church discipline, all individuals are to maintain a proper heart attitude toward the individuals being disciplined. They are to avoid both vengeance and arrogance. Brethren, if a man is overtaken in any trespass, you who are spiritual restore such a one in a spirit of gentleness, considering yourself lest you also be tempted. Galatians 6:1.